If you're putting in the hours in your gym's weights room, lifting dumbbell after barbell after kettlebell, it's only natural to expect bigger, stronger muscles. Unfortunately, if you're not also making the same effort in the kitchen to ensure you're eating the right food to support your workout regime, the effect of your exercise might be a little disappointing. By the right food I mean protein, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding your damaged muscles after a tough session. The benefits of protein aren't limited to building muscle, either. It's required for a host of other critical bodily functions and also has the happy knack of making you feel fuller for longer, which diminishes the likelihood of you turning to sweet or fatty snacks to fill a hole. So in this video, I have listed the best 3 protein powders that you can use. But before we start, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications. So the number 3 is MusclePharm Combat. MusclePharm is a Colorado-based supplement company that's beloved by many for their popular line of protein bars, Combat Crunch. 1 scoop of Combat Whey contains 130 calories, 25 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, and 1.5 grams of fat. The scoop also contains 70 milligrams of sodium, that's 3% of your recommended daily intake, 10% of your daily calcium, and 6% of your daily iron. There are not any extra vitamins or minerals added to it. This is a blend of whey isolate and whey concentrate, which are the first 2 ingredients. Isolate has the most protein per calorie, while concentrate contains more fat and carbs. Then there's cocoa powder, natural and artificial flavors, cellulose gum, guar gum, xanthan gum, sucralose, also known as Splenda, acesulfam potassium, and soy lecithin. I tried chocolate milk flavor, and I was pleased to find that it had a rich, malty flavor. Funnily enough, chocolate milk flavor wasn't that milky, it had more of a dark chocolate flavor, so while it tasted awesome with milk, it tasted quite watery when mixed with water. So better take it with milk. So if you want to buy this protein powder with special discount, then check the link in the description. Number 2 is Body Fortress Super Advanced Whey Protein Powder. Body Fortress is manufactured in upstate New York, and they sell a variety of inexpensive workout supplements like amino acids, fat burners, and nitrous oxide supplements. They also produce 4 kinds of protein powder. At 50 grams, these are pretty big scoops, and they provide 200 calories each, 30 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, and 5 grams of fat, 2.5 of which are saturated. There's also a remarkably large amount of cholesterol, 42% of your recommended daily intake. With 110 milligrams of sodium per scoop, 5% of your daily intake, it's slightly saltier than your average protein as well. The Super Whey Protein Blend is the first ingredient, and it's a combination of whey concentrate and isolate. That means there's more concentrate, which has more fat and carbs, than isolate, which is lower calorie and more expensive. Then there's maltodextrin, a sweetener usually made from wheat and corn, cocoa, natural and artificial flavors, soy lecithin, which improves mixability, cellulose gum as a thickener and stabilizer, and the artificial sweeteners acesulfam potassium and sucralose, also called Splenda. So if you want to buy this protein powder with special discount, then check the link in the description. Number 1 is Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard Whey Protein. Of all the protein powders on the market, Optimum Nutrition's whey protein may be the best known and most widely consumed. It's the number 1 seller on bodybuilding.com and Amazon. It's very well priced, has great macronutrients, and scores very highly for label accuracy. 3 qualities that rarely intersect in the whey protein industry. 1 rounded scoop delivers 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar, and 1 gram of fat. Various independent tests have shown that it may be closer to 21 or 22 grams of protein per serving, a difference that's actually pretty negligible in the supplement world. For something so popular and so inexpensive, the ingredients list is surprisingly short. Let's look at the double rich chocolate flavors ingredients list. First there's a protein blend of whey protein isolates, concentrate, and peptides. Then cocoa, lecithin, natural and artificial flavors, acesulfam potassium, aminogen, and lactose. Optimum Nutrition gives you what it promises. A no-frills, dependable whey protein powder. It's not just reliable, it's inexpensive and tasty too. It's hard to find fault with Optimum Nutrition's product. If there's an industry gold standard, this may just deserve the title. So if you want to buy this protein powder with special discount, then check the link in the description. So that's it for today, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest updates.